For children clothes, we have all our cute dresses just reduced 90. All our Christmas clothes just reduced. We have a lot of items just came in from LA. All the latest fashion, all the latest
they are why
at the lowest prices in Trinidad. We are talking the competition.
I don't know.
Cheaper. Yes, customers. All the latest designs at the lowest prices. We are talking the competition. Yes, customers is our.
So we know the front line good.
Price attack. Come and check it out.
Right, don't go no more. What do you do? Take it out and push it through that window and see if that is the same move.
All prices reduced. All prices dropped. All prices dropped.
Come back right to that one.
Right, to come back that one. Right, continue going. Very good. Make sure that once it's free, I say it could have been just a back grade in the back, you know. But then nice. Wait, that's going water. What's that? Oh, that's it there. Oh, it's just a little bit there. But when I snake it out, don't take it out, you're going down in the silver. Straight down in the silver.
Huh?
You're going down.
Go down?
Yeah, carry down. When I did see about it, the water was full up higher than that. And I carried out nearly the whole snake I carried straight out into the street. Where do they make back a connection in front? Go. Some connection. That T looking up. That's steel. Wait. That's steel there? Where's that there? Hold on there. I'm going to take a picture of it. So there's a piece of steel there. Alright, so when we coming back, we will locate that. And you're going to see on top.
Yeah, well, that's going through.
Yeah.
They wait both, they wait finish.
Okay, continue going on, you see. And there's a T looking up, maybe a test T or something, so.
Yeah. That's puncture from it.
Yeah.
Buy one, get one free. Buy one slipper, get one free. Yes, customers, no price increase. Buy one, we are giving away.
The whole line. Like that cars I quick.
Yes, customers only at Ratas. Check it out. Big deals. It's our massive price attack sale.
You get in trouble to push?
Big backside towels. Big backside towels that was $50 and $20 and $50. Going down to $9.90. Man towels gone out of $5. Push and gone out.
So what there? Right. So there's the sewer connection here in the road. Everything clear from the last clear I give it some days ago. So we're good to go. So when you come back and you will locate where you're seeing that steel. Kelly, go and get the locator first.
All prices dropped. All goods on sale. Time only. Come and check it out. Sneakers, you buy one sneaker, we're giving you one free today. Buy one sneaker, you get it.
Yes, also in the pipe here, we're seeing where it fractured on top. So we're going to take a little location for it. All this area here, it fractured, the pipe fractured all over. It's about a foot down, you see. All the pipe cracked, damage, but it hasn't collapsed. So it's still in proper condition in the sense that it hasn't collapsed, but it's broken. All day. From them digging. Alright. Yeah. Yeah, so we're going back into the line here. That'll be clean. We just jet out and clear the choke on the inside. So we're going down inside the pipe. That is the area that have so you see where the jetter line pass. So where it pass through.
So like this was a wide.
So there's a wide there.
Yeah, so that was continuing on.
Okay.
That wide wasn't seen at all.
Alright, so you come to that same hole. Look the snake, the jetter line. And we're going down in the sewer. Making sure nothing choke in the sewer. Because we just clear the back. So all the stuff would have come to the front. Yeah, we now pass the area that damaged, but you see all the cracks in the pipe there? Yeah. Pass it and go. So that's the end of the jetter. And we're just going down just to make sure down inside nothing can stick up. Everything past the steel that projecting through the pipe. And yeah, we good to go. Alright, so you see we're going straight into the clay. All the concrete and looking good. Looking good. Everything looking good. Everything went straight down into the sewer area. Right now we into the street area here. So we under the street. All of the concrete pipe, the old existing concrete pipe from God know how long. And we show you where all the stuff end up into the sewer. So you're good in this area here. So we will give you an inspection in the back and give you a feedback on that. No? Yeah. Right. Yeah, so as we're inside here, we use the equipment to jet out the line. As you can see, all the stuff going down. It was a nice sound to hear all the stuff just bubbling going down. So what we're going to do now, we're going to camera the line to see if it have any issues inside there too. So if you watch down inside there, clean as a whistle. So you know. Now we just have we flush the toilets and trying just to clear out whatever any line high up, and we running water down inside it, make sure everything was down. And yeah. Okay. Alright. You ready? You're ready.
I'm fitting already.
Yeah, like a fitting. That's the fitting for this here. This here.
Oh. Right.
Maybe it was going underground and they changed it after. What the hell is that? A connection? There was the problem.
The next one here, club.
And next time, well, then, isn't it?
You see, like stone or something in there.
Yeah. Yeah, that can club. Some kind of thing. But they're not using them things and think on them. Alright, that connection there. Yeah, if you go beyond it, you might see the bend. No, the next connection is looking up. Let's see what is the problem. Where is that? A broken line.
Yeah, I'll break 5 points now.
There's what zoom out on that one thing. See the broken line over there? Damage the line again underneath. That's right by the that connection. That's how far the snake was reaching.
Hold it.
Yeah, look how hole in the corner there. Point it out there so that you see. Yeah, hole and crack. Pull back and show all the crack. Point it up. Holding back there, right.
Never drop down there.
And drop down. Go into water. And back out.
Next break there.
Next break. Broken line. Yeah, forget about all them columns and things that might be put on there. Like a good break up the people fighting.
I think that the last one we was watching, it's not even really bossy connection. I think this was the break we was watching before.
You sure?
Yeah, in the last video.
Go ahead for them, see? Yeah,
so
yeah, that's it. Come back. So we find a connection.